Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I'll be showing you how to connect your phone to the brand new Citroen Berlingo. Your on-display screen will look like this, and multiple ways you can do this. Easy way to do this, click on your tabs there, head over to phone, click connect a device. Then we will crack out our iPhone just here. Works with a Samsung as well. And as you can see, it's discovering an iPhone is visible. So we'll just click on that on the screen. And as you can see, the Citroen is loaded. So we'll also just click on that. Numbers match up, accept on there, confirm on there, press pair and allow on your iPhone. And there we have it. Hands-free calling, voice assist, even Apple CarPlay is all on the screen. It will ask you again to connect to the CarPlay system on your phone. But there we have it. We are connected. Now I can continue listening to the music I want to listen to, and I can use my Google Maps services.